Like I have posted this on this subreddit that how to get high reach on Instagram using n8n workflow. So so many people were DMing me and commenting that how to do it, show me the result. So I'm just showing you how this thing works. So yeah, this is the same workflow. I have just reorganized it. So yeah, let's dive in. Workflow is that we'll take Instagram IDs of the top creators of our chosen niche and we'll enter their IDs into this node in a JSON file. Then it will take all the data out of Instagram and save in this sheet, and then we'll download the video, and then it will upload the video to assembly AI for speech to text conversion. Then we'll take the text or transcript, pass through an LLM to see what was happening in the script. If there any particular topic or tool has been mentioned, then we'll search that tool in internet using Tavily. You can use Perplexity in this place. Then we'll create and we'll find what was the gap in that script, and we'll find the gap, and we'll create a new content out of that old script and the gap. Then we'll save the data in the sheet. If I show you the sheet, this is how it works. This is the new transcript for your video. This is the extracted script, and this is instruction on how you record the video, and this is the script for your video, for your new video or reel. Yeah. Second workflow, for this we need a link of a viral YouTube reel, sorry, Instagram reel, and we'll go to Instagram and copy that URL and come here and paste that link, and it will scrape the video and save the video here and download the video the same way it has been done before. The workflow will work the same way it has been done previously in the above workflow, and it will be saved in this Google Sheet. So as you can see, if you come here, uh, it has created new script and instructions for how to shoot or record the video. Yeah. So if you want to buy the template, go to my Reddit bio here and go to Gumroad. Yeah, you can just buy it, or if you want me to set it up for you, just hit me up. We'll talk about it.